AI is growing fast, and businesses everywhere are already putting it to work. It's now part of how teams operate every single day, quietly helping in small but important moments we don't always notice. AI keeps track of where the workday goes, so no one has to do it by hand. AI listens in on meetings and notes down what matters, so no one has to. AI keeps all the tasks in order, so everyone knows what to do next. AI takes care of the bills and numbers, so no one has to chase them by hand. All of these are real solutions, powered by AI tools for teams who want to grow smarter and faster. Here are 4 of the best, and what each one focuses on. WebWork tracks time, monitors productivity, and automates payroll in one AI-powered platform. Fireflies joins meetings, records conversations, and turns them into searchable notes in one AI-powered platform. ClickUp brings tasks, docs, chats, and goals together in one AI-powered platform. QuickBooks handles invoicing, expense tracking, and bookkeeping in one AI-powered platform.